Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Android's gaming experience. So in here, if you want to make your gaming experience or gameplay more exciting, you can adjust or configure the Ultra Game Mode on Android phone. Here, what you need to do is just go to the settings on your Android and find this Ultra Game Mode. So tap on that. So here there are some settings that you can adjust. For example, here you can enable the game sidebar, so you can swipe sideways to bring up the game shortcut settings bar during the gameplay. So just enable it like this. This will make your gameplay easier. And here you can also adjust the scene mode. You can adjust the esport mode if you want to. For high performance configurations, you can so it will minimize the disturbances, optimize control, optimize display, and adaptive frame rate and temperature. Here you can also adjust the off-screen autoplay. You can bring up the sidebar in the games added to the Ultra Game Mode to enable off-screen autoplay. So when enabled, games will continue running when the screen is off. So this can keep the game running when screen is locked and reduce power consumption. So you can adjust it how you like it, and there will be this enhanced experience. You can adjust the game sound quality and effects here to have a more exciting experience. You can adjust the ear customized sound effects. Here you can adjust based on your age. So if you are under 30, you can use this one, and if you are in between 30 to 60, you can use this one in here. Let's go back. Here you can also adjust the frame rate priority, but there's no game supported on my phone, so there will be no settings in here. Here you can also adjust the do not disturb. You can block notifications during the game. You can also mute calls and enable the screen miss touch prevention. Here you can enable this strict notification bar trigger area. You can also disable the 3-finger screen capture during the gameplay. So here you can also adjust the multitasking feature, game picture in picture here. Okay, so you can adjust it to how you like it. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.